Welcome to YouTube channel Love Physics. Here today we are with thermodynamics quiz questions. Here see the question number 1. The SI unit for the measuring heat is the Pascal, Newton, Joule or calorie. The correct answer is Joule. Now the next question is thermodynamics is the study of what? The transfer of energy, the creation of the energy, the speed of the reactions, the effect of heat on the speed of a reaction. And the correct answer is the transfer of energy. In heat transfer, heat always flow from the dash substance to the dash substance, hotter to colder. The correct answer is hotter to colder. Now question number 4. A measure of the amount of disorder or randomness in a system is known as entropy. The correct answer is entropy. Question number 5. Everything in the universe that is outside a defined system is known by the surrounding. The correct answer is surrounding. Now question number 6. The dash law of thermodynamics says that heat always flows from an object with a higher temperature to an object of lower temperature naturally. This is second law of thermodynamics. So the correct answer is second law. Now the question number 7. A thermometer measures temperature, which is best described as heat movement of the particles, average kinetic energy of particles, calorimetry experiment, specific heat of a substance. And the answer will be average kinetic energy of particles. Correct answer is average kinetic energy of particles. Now question number 8. You can see the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius is known as specific heat capacity, heat of fusion, heat of vaporization, melting point. The correct answer is specific heat capacity. The correct answer is specific heat capacity. Now question number 9. A substance with a high specific heat is always extremely hot, requires a lot of energy to become hot, is not heavy, does not require a lot of energy to become hot. And the correct answer is requires a lot of energy to become hot. Now the question number 10. The transfer of the thermal energy between objects of different temperature is called temperature, heat, internal energy or none of these. And the correct answer is heat. Now the question number 11. A dash is a device for measuring temperature. The answer is thermometer. Now the question number 12. The thermal energy always moves from a high temperature object to a lower temperature object, from a lower temperature object to a higher temperature object, from an object with lower kinetic energy to an object with higher kinetic energy, and from an object of higher mass to an object of lower mass. And the correct answer is from high temperature object to a lower temperature object. Now the question number 13. The temperature of a glass of cold water will eventually match the temperature of the surrounding environment, always be colder than surrounding environment, become warmer than surrounding environment, never change temperature. The correct answer is the temperature of a glass of cold water will eventually match the temperature of the surrounding environment. Question number 14. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy is created, destroyed, conserved, created and destroyed. And the answer is conserved. The first law of thermodynamics always states that energy is conserved. Now question number 15. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy is conserved. Question number 16. When a substance or material gets hotter, it expands to a greater volume. This is called thermodynamics, temperature, thermal equilibrium, thermal expansion. And the correct answer is thermal expansion. Whenever we heat the object, it expands to a greater volume, and this is thermal expansion. Now question number 17. A condition in which all parts of a system are at the same temperature is known as thermodynamics, temperature, thermal equilibrium or thermal expansion. And the correct answer is thermal equilibrium. Now the next question is question number 18. What is the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? And the options are C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 1.8, F is equal to 1.8 into C plus 32, K is equal to C plus 273, C is equal to K minus 273. And the correct answer is option A, C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 1.8. Now question number 19. What is the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? And the correct answer is option B, F is equal to 1.8 into C plus 32. Now question number 20. Which variable is not needed to solve for heat energy? Mass, specific heat capacity, change in temperature, boiling point. and the answer is boiling point is not necessary to solve for heat engine. Now question number 21. What are the units for the specific heat capacity? Kilogram or gram, Kelvin or degree Celsius, calorie or joule, calorie per gram Celsius or joule per gram per Kelvin. And the correct answer is D, calorie per gram Celsius or joule per gram Kelvin. And the question number 22. What are the units for the heat? Answer is gram or kilogram, Celsius or Kelvin, calorie or joule, calorie per gram Celsius or joule per gram Kelvin. And the correct answer is calorie or joule is the unit for the heat. Question number 23. Mercury thermometer works based on the principle of thermodynamics, thermal expansion, thermal equilibrium, specific heat capacity. And the correct answer is thermal expansion. Question number 24. Study of how heat moves is called thermodynamics, thermometer, heat energy, or thermal expansion. And the correct answer is thermodynamics. The question number 25 and the last question is measure of disorder and the randomness in a system. This is called heat energy, temperature, thermal equilibrium, or entropy. And the correct answer is entropy. Thanks for watching this video.